guys enjoying the video. Leave a comment or subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So, let's go! Chop tofu in thin rectangles. Chop carrots in zigzags. Chop potatoes in wedged. Add salt, black pepper, and seasoning. Chop bacon, chicken, meat, and onion into small pieces. After chopping everything, put the bacon and chicken meat in. Now put the onion pieces in. Put any type of pasta in a pot with boiling water. Make sure that the water is over the level of the pasta. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes and put in a big bowl. Add the cooked meats in. Creamy bake and about 15 short strips of cheese. Mix well and put into oven for 10 minutes. Lay potatoes on a foil plate evenly. Put in oven for 30 minutes. And some chicken pieces. Next, add the tofu, ginger, and a small amount of salt. Prepare everything and start eating.